Hello everyone, today we've got here Samsung Galaxy M56 and let me show you how to block a number. So if you wish to block some caller, to block someone, just open your phone dialer at first, then mark more icon, which is three dots one in the right upper corner, select settings, and here you'll notice block numbers. So just mark it. And now you can either block all calls from unknown numbers smoothly by using this indicator, or you can add some recent caller or someone from contacts. Just by tapping and tapping on done to confirm. Also, you can add some phone number manually by yourself over here. Just mark the button and enter the number that you want to block. Tap on done to save it and tap on plus to add it to your blacklist. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.